Hey guys, Mr. Mackey here. Now yesterday we were looking at means again, and we were comparing means between different sets of data and seeing, well, solving arguments from them. For example, which school does better science results. Now today I set you the challenge to figure out which country out of these four is most likely to do well in Eurovision based on their previous results. So, got my pen. Let's work it out. So let's find the mean score the UK got. So we do 24 and 24 plus 15 plus 24 plus 26, which gets us 113. Divide that by 5. You then get 22.6. That's quite low, but we never know. Let's now go to the Netherlands. 35 plus 11 plus 11 plus 17 plus 1 gets us 75. Divide that by 5 and that will get us 15. So Germany, 27 plus 26 plus 25 plus 4 plus 25 gets us 107. Divide by 5 gets you 21.4. And finally France, we do 25 plus 6 plus 11 plus 13 plus 16, divide that by 5, and we get 14.2. So, if someone was to ask me which country is the most likely to do well at Eurovision out of these four, France is the one that we'd say, because the mean is the highest. Now today we're going to be looking back at all three averages we have focused on this week, and we're going to be seeing which one is maybe the best based on the pros and cons each of them have in certain questions. Let's get into it. So let's firstly focus on just one set of data. Which average would be the best in figuring this out? So, I have 13, 15, 17, 17 and 86. So already we could say that the mean is not the best, because 86 is an extreme value and that would heavily influence the mean. So we can't use that. So, what about the median then? Well, when we do the median, we then find the middle number, which is 17. That could work. That would be the median. It's not influenced by the extreme, but it only takes into account one part of the problem. So the median may also be a little bit on edge. But we could also use the mode, because we can blatantly see here that 17 appears the most. So the mode would also work. So in this case, if we were to provide an argument, we could say the median or the mode is the best average in this set of data, because the mean would be heavily influenced by 86, and the median and the mode actually give you the same thing. So it builds up even more reliability because they have more than one of the same answer. How brilliant is that? Let's now look at another one. Now, which average is best for this set of data? We have two sets, and we want to try and find out which school. So, similar to what I showed you yesterday, here are the maths results from school A, and here are the maths results from school B. I want to find out which school did the best, but we need to figure out an average to find this. So, how I tend to start this is I look at the mean first, because that's the most accurate, so let's do it. So 23 add 12 add 24 add 11 add 10 gets us 80. 80 divided by 5 gets us 16. So school A has a mean score of 16. What about school B? 18 plus 24 plus 14 plus 13 plus 11 gets us 80. Divide by 5 also gets us a mean score of 16. We've got a problem. They have the same mean score. So we might have to look at another average. What could we look at? Well, we can't do the mode because there isn't a mode here, there isn't a mode here. So we're going to have to use the median. So let's order school A school. So it goes 10, 11, 12, 23 and 24. And in school B's ones, we go from 11, 13, 14, 18, 24. The median is the middle number, In this case it's 12, and in this case it's 14. So the median of A is 12, the median of B is 14. So B is the school that does better in their maths because its average of the median is higher than A's. Even though the mean's the same, the median says differently. So don't always trust the mean. The other averages could be useful as well. So here is your challenge for today. I want you to come up with a set of 7 numbers. And with that set of 7 numbers, they have to give us a mean of 8, a median of 12, and a mode of 14. You might get a different set of numbers from what I get tomorrow, but as long as they meet these 3 conditions, I'm happy with whatever you find. Good luck. See you tomorrow with more data checking out. Take care, guys.